Yo, look at this. Anyone can create an online store that looks really good and professional nowadays without any coding skills whatsoever. If you want to create one online shop just like this one, for example, in just 4 simple steps, stick with me here to the end of this video. Hey there, my name is Thiago Mazeu and I'm a product marketing manager here at One.com. And I'm here to help you to create your first online store. Having an online shop is a great way to start expanding your brand and to attract more customers. You can perfectly run just an online store, or it can be a great addition to your physical store in case you already have one. With One.com, setting up an online shop takes a matter of minutes. So let's jump here to my computer and I'll show you the 4 steps you need to create your own store. First, register a domain name and install your online shop. The first step is to register a domain name. We recommend you to use the name of the online shop as the domain name. But if that is already taken, then you will see some alternatives here and you can choose the one that best suits you and your business. Okay, so have you found the name you're looking for? Now add it to your cart and hit continue. If you click here on compare plans, you can see all the hosting plans available and choose the one that best fits your needs and add to cart. After you complete your order, log into your One.com dashboard and from here navigate to online shop and click on create my shop. Second, create your products. Once your online shop is installed, it's time to fill your online store with products. You can do this in the Products tab by hitting on the Add Product button and choosing from gift card, physical or digital product. Then just fill in the product title, a good description, and make sure to upload good quality images of your product, and these things will make the difference in your sales performance. You can create categories to group related products and make it easier for your visitors to navigate through your online store. You can also enable additional options if your product comes in different colors or sizes, and you can do that by clicking right here. And then enter the price and quantity you have in stock. You can also add an SKU number here for your own control. We recommend that you fill in the meta description box here on the bottom of this page, because this can help you to rank your product better on search engines like Google, for example. Third, add payment methods. From your shop dashboard, click on Settings here on the left side and then Payment Options. From here, you can select your preferred payment provider like Stripe, PayPal, or even to set up manual payments. And our team is also working to add some other payment options here for you, so stay tuned because there is more to come soon. Unlike some of our competitors, we do not charge any transaction fees on top of what third-party payment providers charges you already. I'm not going to mention any names here, but you can always Google it. It's recommended to define all the other settings here before your online shop goes live, like adding terms and conditions here for the checkout, to set VAT and shipping costs, adding related products, and your invoice details right here. If you need any help with this, you can check out our online shop guides, and I'll leave a link here in the description for you. Fourth, design your online shop. As I mentioned before, you can create the shop using either the website builder or WordPress, but we recommend using the website builder. First, because it's super simple to use and you can publish your online shop with a professional look in no time. And second, because it's super easy to manage and to maintain it. To start editing your design, you need to go to Shop Front here on the left side, and in this video I'll show you on the website builder. So click on this button right here to open it. From here, click on Edit Site. And from this dashboard, you can simply drag and drop any element or widget here from the left sidebar, and you can add this product widget here, for example, into your workspace, and if you want to display only a specific product. Or you can drag and drop the product grid widget right here in case you want to show multiple products in that page. Don't forget to use our mobile editor right here just to make sure your online shop looks just as great on a mobile mobile device. I'm using a store here that I have created to demonstrate this for you, but you can choose any of our templates and fully customize them to have the look of your brand. If you want to see a full tutorial on how I have created this specific store right here from start to finish, leave a comment down below and we can create that video for you in the future. Now, if you like how everything looks, then you're ready to publish your online shop. Published. So what's next? All right, if you went through the 4 steps here we talked about, your online shop should be live. Now it's just a matter of keeping track of your orders and improving things on your shop. We have just updated our companion app and now you can see and manage all your orders from your mobile. It is a great tool to manage your orders on the go, and honestly, this makes your life much easier. So just go there and download this app, and it is for free. All right, so link will be here in the description for you. You can also start selling gift cards on your store, which is a great idea to boost your sales during this time of the year, especially for Black Friday and Christmas here as an example. And we have a video talking about the benefits of selling gift cards and how you can do that from our online shop. So click right here or right here and check that out. We have recently launched the SEO scan and you can access it from your website dashboard under the Marketing and SEO tab. This will show you how well your site is optimized for SEO, and we recommend you to go through these points just to make sure you have the best chances possible to rank well on search engines like Google, and this way you can get more visitors into your website. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we post new videos. Thank you very much, and I see you on the next one.